Welcome to How to Add a Table Using Design Tools in a Canvas page. Our first step is to find a page that you would like to add a table to. Here I am within a sandbox with a random page imported. Just click the Enter button to add a line. Going to launch Design Plus. If you do not see the little rocket ship in the corner, try holding down Alt, Shift, and D for design, to kind of force launch this Design Plus toggle. Or you may need to use Option Shift D depending on whether you're using a PC or a Mac. All right, so here we are going to click on our page where we want the table to go. Click plus, and then either we can search for a table here within the search box, or we can scroll down to find a table here. There we go. Going to click that button, and it will automatically add a table with a header row already tagged, meaning already formatted. So you just highlight, enter your information, or delete and enter your information. For example, here we could put assignment name. The second one, maybe this will be the due date. And then we'll put in something generic here just to get us started. So far we have 2 homework assignments, but then what if we have an additional assignment? Well, once you click on the cell, these properties will pop up. If you'd like to add another row below it, we're going to click here where it looks like part of a table with a plus sign at the bottom, and this will add, you can keep adding as many rows as you like. So for example, we have 2 homework assignments, and maybe we have a weekly quiz, and then we would also make this due us a day. All right, so this part is done. If you want to change your settings at all within the Design Plus sidebar, we can change the style. If we want it to be light colored, dark colored, canvas default, we could default back to no style. You can change what kind of borders you want the lines around. And then under our advanced options down here is where we can also format. So here we need column, we need a row header. Our column headers are already done. We do not need a row header on this case, but if you have something where maybe you have assignment name and options at the top, but then you also have the main topics or information on the left side before the information is all referenced in the middle, you may also need a row header. In this case, we do not. We can also click the button for caption. The caption for your table is essentially a title for your table. So if a student is using a screen reader or any text-to-speech software, they may get that information before or get the title of the table before they get all the information within the table. Also through here, you can choose, do you want striped rows where every other one is striped? If you want to allow it to be scrollable, if you're on a small screen, or any of these other options. All right. So easy as that. Your table to be accessible needs to have a header, row, or column, or both, depending on what kind of table setup you have. And it must also have this caption or title for your table. All right, thank you for watching.